Remove the protective packing material from the LCD, the card hopper, and the cord cover. Open the printer lid. Insert the new ribbon cartridge in the printer. Slide the card guide until it locks in place. Set the card thickness adjustment to the thickness of the cards to be loaded. In this case, for 30 mil cards, hold the card stack by the edges. Place the card stack in the card feeder. Orientation for magnetic stripe cards. Orientation for contact smart cards. Close the printer lid. Connect power to the printer. Ensure the printer power switch is off. Connect the AC power cord to an AC outlet. Plug the printer power cord into the printer. Connect a USB cable to the printer and then to the computer. Install the USB printer driver. Put the product CD in your computer and follow the on-screen instructions.